Hello everyone and welcome. This is Kim Shivler. Today's lesson is going to be on how to create an FTP account. That stands for File Transfer Protocol, and it's a way where you can move files between your local computer and your web host, as well as control files on your web host. Sometimes that's important when you're troubleshooting an installation. This lesson is going to show us how to create an account. It is part of a blog post at White Glove Web Training. And then there's another video that will also be part of that blog post showing you how to use FileZilla, which is an FTP client. Let's get started. Before I can configure my FTP client, I have to have an FTP account. I have logged into the control panel at my web host, and I'm going to scroll down where it says Files. Now yours might look a little different, so check with your web host if you're not seeing this. But your web host should have a control panel access for you that gives you FTP account access as long as they provide that access. And I highly recommend that you only work with hosts that allow either FTP or SFTP, which stands for Secure FTP. This allows you to easily move files. So I'm going to click on FTP, and I'm going to set this for just our test FTP since we're just working this. This is my domain, how to build a website in 8hoursorless.com, which is a basic class available at White Glove Web Training. And I'm going to just use the password generator. I'm going to copy that, use that password. And now what you're going to notice is it wants to put this under a subdirectory called test FTP. If you're granting access to someone just so that they can upload some files, maybe a theme file or something for you, then this is fine because you wouldn't want them to have access to the rest of your site. In my case, I want to be able to edit my main files. And for many web hosts, the main directory is going to be public_HTML. That would be where you find your main domain name that is being hosted. If you have add-on domains, you would actually see those under the listing under a directory, usually with that domain.com or .net, whatever your domain is. So I'm going to back this up so that I have full access, and I'm going to create the FTP account. That's all I have to do for creating the account. This is Kim Shivler. Thank you for joining me. I hope you'll grab the next video where I actually show you how to use FTP using the FileZilla client. Thank you. See you next time.